like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's amazing. We're almost at 500 subscribers, and I know to some channels that's petty change, but to us it's an amazing, joyful moment for us because we have come so far and worked so hard, and we're finally just about to reach 500 subscribers. If you guys can share this content, share our channel out there, get it out so that people can see our channel and our subscriber list can, you know, boom. And we want to try to get as many people to see this content as possible, not for our benefit but for your guys' benefit, the community's benefit, because we are doing this, yes, we have fun, but also to provide content to people so that people can see what getting out in nature is really all about, to be able to get out there and have an adventure in the great outdoors and love it. I mean, this kind of stuff just pops for some people, and some people that, you know, you really got to kind of give them a good swift kick in the butt to get out there and get it. And once they see it and they live it, they love it. Jeremy was one of those. He was always kind of standoffish from going camping and doing this kind of stuff, but he gets out there and he sees it and he witnesses it and does it firsthand, and he can't get enough of it. Every time we go on a trip, he wants to go because he loves being out there, and especially loves being out there with us as well. And he's become a really good friend of ours. But for those of you who know other people that very well could benefit from getting out into wild, you know, and exploring the great outdoors and having fun, but have not done it, or to your knowledge have not done it, help them. Give them some tips, some ideas, throw them the channel, you know, tell them, check it out. They'll show you guys some really cool stuff, and you guys will be able to get out there and have some really good times in the wild, and it's amazing. You don't have to be nervous of anything, you know, just be mindful of everything. That's all you have to do, and have fun. Today I'm going to run us through, you know, pretty much the list of everything that we've already done so far. And, you know, for those of you that are going to see this video for the first time of seeing any of them, you'll be able to see it. And if you like some of these clips, you can go back to our previous videos, and you might really like our channel, and you might want to hit that subscribe button, you know, and maybe like the videos. We're getting more content out as much as possible. I'm starting these YouTube shorts, so bear with me. I'm trying to get the hang of them. It's real new to me. Jimmy it's a little new to him too. We're not much into social media and stuff like that until, you know, we gathered this channel and started doing this, but it's a rocky road. We're working with everything that we have, and we're trying to do the best that we can, so bear with us, and we're going to be getting content out there you guys are really, really thoroughly going to enjoy. You guys might even see some places you never heard of. You never know. So we're going to run through all of these videos, and I'm going to show you some good quality, you know, snippets, if you will, from each one of these trips that we've taken. But also, good news, we finally were able to get some logos created, and I think they came out amazing, absolutely astonishing. There's two that we really like. The other two are kind of on the back burner. We got 4 total. My favorite is going to be this one right here. I love this one. Now this one over here, I like it, but that one's not as good as that one. I'm definitely liking them both though. We're going to use them both. We'll incorporate them somehow. We'll find their rightful place. But so that was exciting. I'm glad that we finally got some logos for the channel, because I'm tired of these little mangy looking things that, I mean, we've had a good time with. We've had these logos for a while, and they've done us very well, and they've served their duties for us. But I'm going to go ahead and retire some of them and put them away, and we'll go back and look at them later. But for right now, we're kind of stuck when it comes to trips. But we're going to be finding something here soon. We've been doing a lot of research and, putting the eyeballs to the computer screens and looking for a place to hit up that's really exciting and maybe not so heavily seen by a lot of people. It's making it real difficult, though, because I don't know, for those of you who may live in Arizona, may not. Arizona's, there's a lot of places on fire right now. And just like last year, Fort Peaks at burn up. But there's a lot of places that are on fire, and it's wreaking havoc in Arizona, and it's making it really hard to get out there and enjoy the great outdoors when it's ablaze. But we're finding some content. We're gonna go out there and find some places and get some good footage and get you guys back out there in the wild with us. Just got to give us a little bit of time, and hopefully this weekend we're going to be heading out for a trip, and we'll have some more content to you on Tuesday of next week. But anyways, I'm gonna get to it. We've taken trips all the way from Payson, Arizona on the north side or the south side. We went to the Verde River on the north side of Payson, and we went camping on the south side. On the north side, it was beautiful. The river's amazing. I love that section of the river. And so do a lot of people, unfortunately. So it's a very, very well-used camping area. South of Payson, though, where I went, if you were to get off in Rye, Arizona, on the 87, just south of Payson, Arizona, you'll hit, on the west side of the road, you'll be able to go north on a little side road, and it'll eventually turn into a dirt road, and you'll be able to go all the way back in there. And you could be far enough to where you can't even see the highway anymore. And mind you, there's not really any big trees out there. It's more of a desert landscape on the south side of Payson. But it's an amazing place to go. You're away from everybody. It's peaceful. It's quiet. There's no river. I mean, in the middle of the night, if there's no coyotes or nobody riding four-wheelers around like there is during the day, you have literal peace and complete quiet, other than maybe a fire if you have one, if it's allowed to have a fire at that time. Absolutely just quiet, almost eerie quiet. But it's a fun place to go. You've got the mountains on the south side, and it's really, really pretty out there. We've also been all the way up to on the 17, should I say, the I-17, just north of Phoenix. There is a place that we went to. It's called Big Bug Creek. Love that place. That place got a special place in my heart. I can't get enough of that place. And there's also like a little farm there, and they have a plaque that you can read, and you can see the foundation where the buildings used to be. You can see where they had all their cattle or whatever animals that they had, the crops that they were growing and what have you. But that place was absolutely amazing. We've also been up to Wickenburg. Unfortunately, we were going to be going to Box Canyon in Wickenburg, but it got way too rough for my Dodge Durango, unfortunately. So we went ahead and turned around, and we just bit the bullet and found a place that was very, very nice to be able to camp out and enjoy. And it would have been the same thing. It's just there's some neat stuff that you can see at Box Canyon, but we had a lot of fun. We saw a lot of quail out there, and they were in season at the time. So I was hoping that I'd be able to get one, but my ankles weren't going to allow me after those surgeries and stuff, so I couldn't even go after them. We've also been up towards Flagstaff, and unfortunately that did not end well. We did not plan as we teach you all to plan accordingly, and ended up in the blizzard, and it wasn't very nice. It was very frigid. So yeah, we've been all over the place there. We have had an absolute amazing time, and I think me and Jimmy, our two favorite trips so far, were both with Jeremy, actually. One without Jeremy, so I'm going to say 3 trips. 1 without Jeremy and 2 with. The first one was to the Verde River north of Clarkdale. And that branch of the Verde River, that area in the Verde River, that's like a little piece of paradise. I can't get enough of it. And we also went out north of Payson, north of Pine, Arizona, north of Strawberry, Arizona, into the big, tall 100-foot pines up there. And it was amazing. You could do anything back there. Nobody knows who's back there and where. You get lost back there. I mean, that place is huge. And I mean, you could go hiking off into the woods for days. Like there's a lot of land behind there that is not used at all. It's all forest. You can get up there to the canyons too, and the canyons are beautiful as well. I've been up at the canyons, and it's amazing up there. Our last trip that we took with Jeremy was down at the Verde River branch north of Clarkdale, Arizona again, but we went to a different camping area that we built, and it was just as good. I mean, parts of it were better. We did like being near the rapids the first time that we went, a little bit of wannabe rapids that were on the river, but it put us to sleep. It was very nice having them there. But the river in general is just beautiful right there. It's a beautiful stretch of the river. If you go a little bit more north of that, it's got some pretty good rapids. 3 sections of the river come into one and drops down about 3 feet, 4 feet, and it's very, very nice up there. Took a lot of drone footage. Jeremy brought his drone out and couldn't be happier with that drone footage. It was amazing. So, I mean, we are out here to give you guys the footage and give you guys the outlines of what we do and be able to explore the great outdoors yourself. We are trying to teach you guys, for those of you who don't know, who want to learn, everything that you can know to be able to get out there to camp, and maybe not be the greatest camper, and be the greatest person out in the great outdoors, but at least to be able to just get out there and enjoy yourself is what we're looking to, that's our key to present to you guys. It's just amazing. We want to touch everybody that we can with these videos and make people happy. That's one of our biggest goals, is to touch people with these videos and make them happy. So if you guys can share this content, we've got to get this content out there so that more and more people can see these videos, whether it be on Facebook or whatever. Just share the content, share the channel, get it out there, let people know. And we'll do our part. We'll do the best that we can to give you guys the greatest footage that we can possibly give you. But as for that, I really wish you guys a good week, a good month, a good year. Hey, it's summertime. You can get out there. You can get on those lakes. You can get onto those rivers. Take your family swimming. Have a great time. Go fishing, hunting, whatever the case may be, wherever you live. It's all beautiful. You guys have a good time. Thanks for joining us. That's it for today, folks. Tune in next week for another adventure with the US Adventure Brothers. And as always, unleash your wild side.